Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Dams Construction. Leo tuko Malindi tunafanya project ya Mansionette. So nimekuwa nimewaambia kwa hii channel explain mambo ya construction, so we try to explain everything so that you'll be able to understand what is taking place, and when you want to put up your project, be very quick with the information and the process will be easy for you. So as I've been updating in my previous videos on the shuttering reinforcement works, but now all the reinforcement works they are through, so you can check all the reinforcement works are through. We are doing now electrical works. We have the electrical contractor on site, that is Engineer Gaddafi. Then we also have the planning contractor. So here we are finishing up on the stairs. This is the stairs shutter is complete. As you can see, the hacking work is going on. And then so these are the reinforcement bars. So for the slab we use D10, but depending with the span, so you can use D10 or D12. But for here, because the span is big, we have a mixture of D12 as the bottom bar and D10 as the top bar. And then here we have these are the top bars, these ones. So they help for shear reinforcement. And then the beams. So the beams we use D16. These are the beams. We use D16. Depending on the span also, because here we are dealing with a span of 5 meters. The span is big, but if you have a span of 4 meters, you can still use the D12. So you can see these are the electrical conduits running through the slab. So the work is still going. I'll show you the rest of the slab, and then maybe I'll take you downstairs. So all this. So we are still doing the sides, and then definitely tomorrow we'll be doing the casting, and I'll update you through the whole process. So we are still doing the final touches, so keep in touch. So let me take you downstairs. So these are the plumbing. This is for west. So the plumbing. So it is easy to do them before you cast, because if you do after casting, hacking is going to be very expensive and it will not be a professional one. So this is the landing for the stairs. Let me take you downstairs. So guys, I don't think there's much, but I think maybe you can come and show them the inside. As you can see, we are doing the sides. So once we are done with the sides, we'll do the final touches, and then tomorrow we do the casting. So guys, I don't think I have much to say, but just keep in touch, keep following up, and you'll be able to learn a lot. So if you have any question, post on the comment section, or you can can just call my number. Thank you.